Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sora AI to generate an image. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to your Google Chrome and then you can search Sora. And if Sora is not available in your country, you can use VPN. Here I'm using VPN guys, and I'm going to show you the VPN I'm using right now. You can search for Urban Proxy VPN and you can add it to your Chrome. Okay, this one, Urban VPN, and you can add it to your Chrome and then you can use it. Okay, I'm using Urban VPN proxy and we can choose USA. Okay, you can choose USA like this and make sure that it's already connected to USA. Okay, done, and then you can refresh your Sora, and here you can describe the image that you want to create. Okay, go to the image and wait, I need to verify that I'm human. Okay, done for the verification, and then I'm going to choose image because if we want to generate a video, we need to subscribe to OpenAI, and you can describe the image that you want to create, and you can choose the resolution right here, and then I'm going to click on create image, and hold on guys, you can monitor it right here. And this is the image I have generated before. I'm going to show you. Okay, and okay guys, that's all the way to use Sora AI to generate an image for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.